Escaping the 4-year grind? EliteVolley.com is ready to simplify your team's tour. Simply choose your preset or customizable city destinations, and you'll gain instant, easy access to everything. And we mean everything. From training, exploring, dining with locals, and even competing against the best under-23 talent Europe has to offer. You'll get to do it all. Can you hang with them? Still not enough? No problem. Choose the a la carte style and discover our local and foreign partners' day trips and all-inclusive getaways for things like team building, cultural or casual tourism in historic cities, beautiful Adriatic seaside experiences, mountain retreats, you name it. We also guarantee incredible network and recruiting opportunities during your time away. And don't forget, we offer a talented recruit combine in Belgrade. To learn more, visit elitevolley.com/NCAA services today. Elite Volley, making travel easy.